A Rube Goldberg machine is an apparatus or a device deliberately over-engineered or overdone, which performs a very, very simple task in a terribly complex fashion, usually involving many chain reactions.
First, someone will call the phone, causing it to vibrate by converting its electrical potential energy into kinetic energy. The kinetic coefficient of friction is less than the static, causing the phone to slide down the ramp. As it falls, it converts its gravitational potential energy to kinetic energy before landing into this box. This box is attached to a lever. The other side of the lever is holding down a pre-wound up car, so it has a lot of potential energy just waiting to be released. Once the phone falls on one side of the lever, the other side will lift, thus lifting the weight off of the car. With nothing holding the car back, the car's potential energy is converted to kinetic energy, and the car will speed down the track and fall off the side of the platform. Pushing the side of the lever down will cause the other side to rise up. Attached is a graduated cylinder filled with water that will hit the protruding pan when that side of the lever rises. The pan causes the cylinder to tilt downwards. The gravitational potential energy of the water becomes kinetic energy as it pours into a bowl that's attached to another lever. The weight of the water tips the lever, releasing a ball that was held by the lever to roll down the ramp, converting its gravitational potential energy to kinetic. The ball will hit the upright hockey puck, transferring most of its energy to the puck, but losing some to sound energy when the ball and puck collide. The puck then falls over, connecting two previously untouched wires together. The now connected wires complete the circuit for the fan and the electrical energy flows, allowing it to operate. The wind energy from the fan is powerful enough to push the Pokemon card windmill, which in turn transfers its kinetic energy to the domino that it hits, causing a chain reaction. This chain reaction ends with the biggest domino falling on top of the string and pushing it onto the string cutter, which cuts the string, releasing the object that it was holding via tension. The tension of the string, previously holding a tennis ball in the air, is no longer there, so the object's gravitational potential energy becomes kinetic energy as it falls and hits a trigger, a card, which, when pressure is applied, releases the mousetrap. The mousetrap then gains kinetic energy from the potential energy which it housed from the spring and lands on the back of the clothespin. This, in turn, causes the clothespin to open and release the elastic. The elastic's potential energy becomes kinetic energy, which transfers to a marble as it is shot through a chute. This marble converts potential and gravitational potential energy into kinetic, and with the added kinetic energy from the elastic, it lands in the basket. The force of this impact combined with the weight of the marble causes the wheel basket to be heavy enough to fall. As the wheel basket falls and rolls, it pulls a string attached to a tab, keeping the cereal from falling. When the tab gets pulled away, the gravitational potential energy of the cereal becomes kinetic energy as it falls into the bowl.